Hi, I'm Teddy Wolfson. I'm an orthopedic surgeon. I specialize in sports medicine, joint preservation, and cartilage restoration. I just had the privilege and honor to join the OrthoConnecticut practice here in Danbury and the surrounding areas. This has been a dream come true for me and an outstanding opportunity to join some of the leaders in the field of orthopedic surgery. I really look forward to taking care of patients here in Danbury and the surrounding areas, offering my expertise in specialized sports medicine and orthopedic surgery. I take pleasure in taking care of patients of all ages. I particularly like managing and taking care of patients that are active and athletic. One of the best parts of my job is really getting patients back to their activities that they enjoy. And this can be something as simple as their daily routine activities or even competitive sports. So I look forward again to joining the practice here at OrthoConnecticut, bringing my expertise to the area. I'm seeing patients in the Danbury and Southbury locations. Feel free to contact the office and reach out if you'd like to make an appointment. I look forward to taking care of you. Thanks.